Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. As one of Melbourne's iconic arcades, the Block Arcade is well worth a visit to experience its history and explore its unique boutique shops. Located in the heart of Melbourne, the Block Arcade remains a beloved shopping precinct. History. The Block Arcade is a heritage-listed building that was constructed in 1892. The land on which the arcade is built was part of one of the city's first land sales, originally selling for £18. Later, a 4-story building on this site was destroyed by a fire in 1889, known as the Great Fire of Melbourne. The fire led to the creation of the beautiful arcade we see today, which was completed in 1892. The arcade features a stunning domed roof, stained glass windows, and Italian imported mosaic flooring. Guided tours are available for those interested in learning more about the history of the Block Arcade. You will gain a deeper understanding of the arcade's rich history. What to do? The best way to enjoy the Block Arcade is to stroll around and explore the boutique stores. Be sure to check out the diverse range of vintage jewelry, art, fashion, and gift shops. There are also several restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy a meal or a coffee. Since opening its doors way back in 1892, Block Arcade has remained one of Melbourne's best-loved and most ornate shopping precincts. The arcade boasts a soaring glass canopy and mosaic floors, which were inspired by Milan's famed gallery of Vittorio Emanuele. Please like, share, and subscribe. Saunter in off Collins Street and make your way through the dazzling interiors, checking out the bespoke tailors and jewelers, art dealers, and spice merchants that inhabit this special piece of Melbourne. Pick up sweet treats at the chocolate shop, then walk on through to Block Place or Block Court to continue exploring the bustling cafes and bakeries, boutiques, and specialty shops. The Block Arcade is a luxurious 19th century shopping arcade located in Melbourne. It boasts mosaic floors, a glass roof, and an array of retail shops, including antique jewelry stores and traditional tailors. Visitors can also enjoy the renowned Hope-Tune Tea Rooms for a delightful experience. The arcade's opulent architecture with marble floors and a glass canopy offers an exquisite setting for indulging in shopping and culinary delights. know before you go, visit in the morning to avoid crowds, especially at popular spots like Hope Tune Tea Rooms. Take time to look up and admire the gorgeous glass roof and chandeliers. Consider joining guided walking tour to learn more about the Block Arcade's history. For an intimate experience, visit boutique shops early or late when it's less crowded. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. The Block Arcade in Melbourne is a must-visit destination that captures the old-fashioned architectural styles of the city, showcasing European influences through stained glass windows, cast iron details, and Italian mosaic floors. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely exploration of the arcade's intricate architecture while indulging in delectable culinary experiences at various cafes and eateries. The blend of old-world elegance and modern sophistication creates a unique atmosphere perfect for relaxation and appreciation of Melbourne's historical heritage. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.